Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a gray coverage to blend in with this natural red hair on my client. I can't wait for you to see how I do it. So as you can tell, this client has about an inch to an inch and a half of new growth, and today we are going to cover that up and blend it on down. So I'm going to mix her color up, and normally I weigh my color, but since I've done this client's hair before, I know how much I need to mix and how much I don't. And today we are going to be using Matrix So Color, which is for gray coverage. And I'm going to be using 3 different colors. The first one I'm going to use, as I just mixed, was the 508 in. And the next one I'm going to be using is 7 in. And then to get that perfect red coppery color, I'm going to be using a little bit of 7 CG. Okay, so I'm going to mix in 20 volume equal parts, and 20 volume is good because it deposits and lifts and it helps cover the gray perfectly. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to mix this product together. You will see in just a few minutes that I am going to actually put this brush in the sink and get a new one, because with the amount of product that's all over it, I really don't want to use that to put that on someone's hair. The next brush that I'm going to show you is a redkin brush. It is one of my favorites, and I really like using it to apply color on my clients. Okay, so here's the brush I'm going to be using. And then this is the brush I'm going to be using to blend in that color and blend it down to her natural red. So as you can see, I'm going to go in and I'm going to touch all of the perimeter areas with the color first, and that is just to get my sections saturated, and it helps me keep my sections where they need to be. Also, I might note that I am not the cleanest person when it comes to coloring. I just like to get it on there and get my clients in and out. So you may notice I'm a little on the messy side, but hey, whatever gets the job done, right? So here, as you can tell, I'm taking about 1/2 inch sections and I'm just applying that color and I'm bringing it down past the new growth. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to go by just every so many sections, pull down the hair, as you can tell. There's the messy, and you're going to brush through, and that's going to help blend that color down. So when you wash it and dry it, it will give it a better look. And once again, here we are going to do the same exact thing, 1/2 inch sections all over the head, bring that color down past the new growth, and then you're going to brush it out. And then you let your color sit for 30 minutes. And I do like to put gray-headed clients underneath the dryer for that 30 minutes as well. That helps get that gray coverage even more. So now we're in the bowl, and this is a little trick I like to do, but when I'm just doing the roots and we're trying to match the color to the actual client's hair, I like to take really warm water and just gently get the hair wet and emulsify that color down, and that helps blend it all together even more, and it also refreshes her ends. So you can tell here is the color, and I normally curl my clients their hair, but in this case, this client wanted me to straighten her hair, and that is totally fine as well. She has gorgeous, gorgeous hair. And check that out, y'all. This is the final result. I love a good red head. I am actually redheaded myself, but oh, I love her red hair so, so much. Look at that blend, and there is no more grays, and she left happy. Thanks y'all for watching. Make sure and check back with me to see more of these videos on my channel. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and see you later.